Good evening. I am back home from work. I am gonna go ahead and do my skincare routine and then get into some jammies. It is 60 degrees outside, but I have not been feeling well all day, so I've been hot and cold and hot and cold and hot and cold, and it has not been a great day health-wise. So I just want to get in bed, get something easy, and get in bed. So I'm going to remove what I do have on, which is just a little bit of concealer, and I don't even think I have foundation on. And then a little bit of mascara. And typically, I would do a lot more than this. However, I don't feel 100%, so I am going to end it at a first cleanse and a little bit of moisturizer. I feel like my hair looks really cute like this. What do you think? Yes or no? I have my water, my pillow, blankets, laptop for movies because I don't know where the, what is it called, remote for that is. And I think I'm all good to go. And of course, I have my pupper. She's very excited.